I got right here survival ration individual part 1 of part 2, and there is a part 2 of part 2 parts 1956 1956. This is looks like not exact same pack, but it is similar stuff. At least it's the same year. Not really sure if they put them together at the same time or not. Somebody taped it, the cap opener, but it's supposed to be this kind, just like that. So let's open them up and see what you get in a part 1 and part 2 survival packs right here. Okay, we'll start with the big one. What we'll do is take this key can opener, that's what it's called, and there's right here a little metal piece, and so it looks like we'll have to open it this way, and we're just gonna twist it up and open it. This in itself is really satisfying. You see how we get in the leverage from twisting it? I wish they'd keep making cans this way. I'm sure they do. So you don't even need can opener. You have this little key, and it'll pretty much open it in half. So keep on going. So 1956. So 1956, almost 70 years old, time capsule, a little bit younger than 70 years old. So we go all the way through, and it will stop here, and all you do is pop open this way. There is a little note over here. You can pause it and read it, and let's see what we got here. Onion powder dehydrated. Wow, it says onion? I'm reading it correctly. Chili powder, yeah, that has to be onion powder. That's cool. So like spices. You know what, this can actually hold up really good, so you guys can see the historical value over here in this video in the future. Another onion powder, so that way you don't have to open your emery, that way you can see it. Coffee instant in my video. A lot of people collect these things, coffee instant, and they are obviously valued a lot more unopened because it's like a time capsule. Soluble tea powder, so it's like a powder tea. Another one right here. And coffee instant, and another coffee. Beautiful. So we had food bars, meat food products bar. Wow. And another meat product bars. This is all gonna be with Dynamo sugar. You know, it's funny, this company is still in business. I wonder how old is this company. Good looking sugar. Those cubes. Okay. What is this? Ready to eat cereal class 3. So like a cereal bar. That's pretty cool, in a plastic wrapping. Okay, let's open this up. It says, eat as a bar, broiled meat, covered crumble bar. Interesting. Okay, so it's like aluminum foil over here. Let's see what's the food look like after 70 years, how it hold up. Obviously it's not edible anymore. Oh my goodness. So it looks like a piece of spam in a sense, piece of meat. Doesn't look too bad. There's a second one, and this side here is fruit cake bar, 2 ounces each. Again, aluminum foil packaging. Yeah, very surprised the quality of it. Oh wow, this thing hardened up pretty good. Not sure if it would look like originally. You know what? It says fruit cake, right? This one, the second one. Yeah, fruit cake. So yeah, it does look like a cake. There you go. That's your survival can from 70 years ago. That's what it looked like. Okay, now we need to open the second one. again, very satisfying. Oh no, no, now we have to just use this. Maybe that's pretty common. Now we have to use this can opener to open the other way. You see how it broke off? And we can use this much newer can opener. You see how powerful this can opener? I think this is P38, and there's a P58, much bigger one. Okay, we have right here a bunch of different packages. Cool. Let's try to pull one out. My hands are really tired now opening this. It's really tight. There you go, it's coming. Oh, yes. Wow, this is definitely one of a kind. What do we have here? Oh, no way, this is just meat food bars. Yes, same thing, additional meat bars over here. That's it. Doesn't look super appetizing, well, after 70 years. But it's crazy how well it preserves itself. So that's what you get in a part 2 and a part 1 survival cans. I didn't even know that part 1 and part 2 look like that.